Hello, in the next episode. In today's video I'm going to repair PlayStation 5 which came in for the no power repair. Yeah, it's exactly the same like it was before, but we will see if I'm able to fix it. So let's fix it. So this is our console and it's got some power issue. So basically, let me just plug my power cable and I'm going to press the power button. So the console is dead. Oh, you can hear the beep, so it's okay. So now let's measure the voltages. Plug probe on the ground. Let's check here if we got 12 volts. Yes, we got 12 volts. Let's check here if we got 5 volts. Yes, we do have 5 volts. Let's check here if we got 3.3 volts. Yes, we've got all voltages. So what can be the problem? So I don't think the problem is the one of the fuses here. But the problem has to be something more. So what I'm going to do, I'm going just to, solder my UART tool and see if that works. Alright, so my UART tool is already soldered, so I just need to plug it to my USB. It's connected. So now I need to go to my PS5 vTools. I just need to choose terminal 1. And I got some box. Control E, enter. Now I just need to plug the power cable. Alright, I've already connected. And if everything with the solid bridge is good, we should see a report, a short report. Sometimes it takes a while. Alright, so as you can see, we've got the solid bridge is good. Showed us that it's ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going just to press the power button. Oh, we could hear the beep, but it's exactly the same like it was before, so the console is dead. So now I need to check the error what we've got. Alright, so first error, we've got the standard error, there is something wrong on the motherboard. Another one, let's check this. Control C to copy this. This is the website I can check my error codes. And this code is related to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth problem or power failure. Check Wi-Fi Bluetooth module code from when module removed. Let's check this. Alright, so I'm going to unplug power cable to desolder my UART tool. Alright, so this area is the area where the Wi-Fi module is. On the other side on the board. But we've got some caps here. And if the Wi-Fi module is faulty or maybe something else, we should hear the beeps. Okay, black probe on the ground. And let's check all caps here. This is correct, but this is no correct. Alright, so we got first short. Let's check here. It's okay. It's okay. This one. It's okay. This one. So we got shorted probably 1.8 rail. Okay, we got short. Oh, and here is dead short. And as usual, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to inject the voltage and check through thermal camera what is wrong here. So I will try to do this without removing the motherboard. Very shorted line was here. So I'm going to solder a jumper wire. Okay. This is plus. So the black probe is grounded to the motherboard and we've got plus here. And I'm going to inject 1.8 volts. Alright, I'm going to inject the voltage now. 3, 2, 1, 0. Whoa! Can you see this? Alright, so here we've got short. And this short comes here. This cap is shorted to ground. This one. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going just to simply remove that cap. Just use some flux. Solder. I try to remove it easily. Alright, so I've just removed the broken cap. So let's clean this area. Alright, so let's check this with my multimeter. Alright, so let's check if we still got a short here. And no, the short's gone. Alright, there's no short anymore. Alright, so the next step is I'm going to try to power this on without that cap. That cap is not really necessary. You know, if I see that everything is fine with the console, I will just solder the cap from my donor board. I need to see if this works or no. If it gives a picture. So I've done that job without removing, you know, the motherboard from the housing. Alright, so now I'm plugging the power cable. This is the moment of truth. Is this another easy repair or no? Right, so we've got LED light here, and now I'm pressing the power button. So let's check this. Wow, it's even better than it was before because now we've got the light here. So we need to wait for white light. And yes, you've got white light. The job is done. I think that job was even quicker than the previous job because, you know, I had to remove, in the previous job, I had to remove, you know, the motherboard, find the problem. In this case, I didn't have to do anything. You get here 3 beeps, so that means the console was unplugged. Was, you know, it wasn't turned off properly. It was like probably power cut because of that cap, and game over. Right, so the console works. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just to turn this off, and I'm going to solder the cap here from my donor board, and I'm going to check everything on the TV. Okay, so this is my donor board. Check if this donor cap is good. And there's no short. I'm going to replace that. Alright, so the cap has been soldered properly. This is last check. Alright, so there's still no short, so it's good. I'm going to plug it to the TV to see if it gives us a picture. Alright, so the console is prepared, so I'm going to press the power button, and yes, its power is on. Can we see any picture on the screen? And yes, we can see the picture, so the console is fully fixed. Console is from Spain, because it's a Spanish language. I'm not sure, but it looks like it's Spanish. Alright, so I can see that all my Wi-Fi connections are displayed, you know, on the screen. So everything looks fine. Okay, so as you could see, it was even, you know, faster repair than the previous repair I've done, and the problem was only one cap. I think, you know, all caps, the most of the caps on the PlayStation 5, they work like fuses, I think, because, you know, in so many cases the problem is the cap, that it's unbelievable. You know, I couldn't see this amount of broken caps in the previous generation of the console, like PlayStation 4. I couldn't see. The problem was different. Now they use very low quality capacitors. But, you know, at the end of the day, they work like a fuse, and maybe it's better than they go bad instead of very expensive, you know, chips on the motherboard. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.